Hi and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios. Today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1969 Hugger Orange 350 Camaro. What a beautiful car. I'm doing this video for you today because we want you to make a great choice in your muscle car decision. It's a great investment. Call Tom today. We can park your dream in your driveway. Don't forget we're doing this video for you today. Did I already say that? Because we love you, okay? And also, we carry 100% feedback on eBay. That's what our customers say about us. We're 100%. And that's what we like to stand by. So come on up, let's take a look at this beautiful Camaro, and we're going to help you park your dream in your driveway. Under the hood, we have a lot of stuff here. 350 motor built, Demon carburetor, MSD ignitions, power brakes, power steering, battery shut off, a lot of gadgets here, ceramic coated headers. Just a well done car here, guys. We're going to drop the hood, take a walk around, take it for a ride. By the way, I forgot to tell you, the motor has been bored and stroked to a 389. It has a 350 Turbo Street Fighter Trans 307 Posi. But anyways, getting back with the paint, very nice paint job here. A couple blemishes here and there. Beautiful chrome. Nice fitting doors. Shut real nice. Overall, a beautiful car sitting on these Mickey Thompson fatties. And dual exhaust. Let's take a peek at the trunk, see what kind of beautiful things we can find. In the trunk we have a very solid pan, just a beautiful clean trunk. Coming down the passenger side, you find the same beauty as the driver's side. Absolutely beautiful paint, clean margins, good margins. We got one touch up here above the 350 emblem. But overall, guys, this is one heck of a car. Don't hesitate, call Tom today at 248-974-9513 so we can park your dream in your driveway. Inside the car, we have beautiful black interior, race buckets that hold you like a glove, center console, staple shifter, got all the gauges in front of the shifter, tachometer, air fuel gauge, vacuum gauge, oil, volt, trans, fluid gauge, heating, water gauge. Just an absolute dream car here, guys. Call Tom today. We're going to make your dream come true. 248-974-9513. Alright, Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this bad 69 Camaro. What a cool little car this is. It's all tricked out with gauges, runs and drives great. Beautiful muscle car here, guys. Nice, beautiful orange paint. I'll tell you what, it would take you thousands to build something like this. You can own one today for a fraction of the cost. Give Tom today, call today at 248-974-9513. We'd love to help you put your dream in your driveway. Don't forget to join us on, go to our website at Vanguard Motor Sales and join us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And also, if you're planning on buying a classic car, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. We've helped many of people save thousands of dollars in mistakes and scams on the web. That's why we want you to join us so we can help you too and put these criminals to rest. And don't forget, if we don't have what you're looking for, feel free to call Tom and chat, and we can find you the dream car for you. Thanks again for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. Stay tuned for the next pass.